You are watching Dugin's Guideline. I feel I have good news about America and the American primaries. Now we are certain that our hero, Donald Trump, and bloody Hillary will be fighting in the final tour of the US elections. That's great. I am going to explain why. With these two candidates, we can be sure to have all that we want in the near future. Both of them are excellent choices. Let us imagine the US after the elections. We have but two possibilities: no more, or Hillary or Trump. In both instances, we will win, and humanity can be happy. Let's imagine Hillary wins. She is not Obama. She is much worse than Obama. Behind her are mad neocons that will do anything to prolong the agony of American imperialism. They will reinforce the bloody chaos in the Middle East, and they will be aggressive and arrogant. And everybody will realize that they have had enough. Enough with the US and its hegemony, intervention, and morbid financial system. Obama was seen as a chance for change. With Hillary, there is not even a distant image of this. She will bring the American century to a decisive end. The famous imperial overstretch will definitively destroy America. The abrogation of the Second Amendment will close the case. Hillary Clinton means the end of American rule of the world. She will stubbornly persist in continuing the strategy of liberal imperialism, blaming the others and exporting bloody chaos in the form of color revolutions. But this will bury America as a state and its people. So, at this moment, we have a chance. The fall of the West is a chance for the rest. It is our window of opportunity. Patrick Buchanan pertinently once said, "America has gained the world but has lost herself." This time, Hillary's America is going to lose the world and lose herself as well. By trying to retain hegemony and prolong the unipolar world system, the US will finally collapse because it is simply impossible. This will be agony, a very dangerous and risky time. But afterwards, we will be finally free from the Americans. Nice job, Hillary. We are ready for your apocalyptic show. But what if Donald Trump wins? What should we expect? Trump, I guess, will leave the world alone and put aside hegemonic claims. Maybe he will, at least temporarily, lose the world, but he will save America. Judging by his declarations, Trump is going to return to pre-Wilsonian era, to Monroe Doctrine. He will concentrate on domestic affairs, saving resources for solving inner economical and social problems. And they really are huge. He is going to fight the real enemy that is inside America, not an imaginable one who is outside. This enemy is the modern American political and financial Wall Street elite that has hijacked America, which has deprived the American people of its country. That is why today some Republicans, primarily neocons, support Hillary and not Trump. They feel their end is approaching. So, if Trump wins, America will be saved, not as an imperialist hegemony, but as a national country. American America. Donald Trump's America can be friend, an ally, or at least an indifferent power that concentrates on itself and minds its own business. So we can sit back and enjoy the show. Both candidates are good for us, for the world, for humanity. Hillary will destroy America. Trump will save her. But the American century is manifestly in clear decline. The end is nigh, and that is a refreshing thought. Best wishes. You have been watching Dugin's Guideline. Something is going to happen. Something is going to change. So go ahead. In both of them we trust.